आज की हमारी स्टोरी का नाम है 7 गोल्डन पॉट्स। इस स्टोरी के अंदर एक बार्बर है एंड देयर इज अ किंग। सो बार्बर को अपने लिए एक नौकरी की तलाश है। ही इज लुकिंग फॉर वर्क एंड वो सोच रहा है मैं कहाँ जाऊं, कैसे जाऊं, हु इज गोइंग टू गिव मी जॉब। सो Barber is thinking and he gets an idea. Why can't I go and meet King? He will give me a job. He can't say no to me. So he goes to palace and meets the king. Kingman stops him. Why have you come here? We don't even know you. He says, it's okay. I just want to meet King for a day. Just for a few minutes only. He keeps pleading and then he finally is able to meet King. And he tells the king, I need a job. I need a job. Can you help me? King asks, okay, what can you do for me? I'm a barber and I can give you a very good massage. And my massage makes people relax and makes them happy. King says, okay, great. You come tomorrow. Show me, demonstrate your skill. And then I will decide I want to keep you or I don't want to keep. Barber reaches next day. And King is very happy after taking massage from him. He says, done. Now from tomorrow you are coming and I'll take massage every day from you. King is happy. Barber is happy. So Barber keeps going to King every day and they build a rapport between two of them. And now every day King is also waiting for Barber and Barber is also eagerly waiting to go and meet King. One fine day, when Barber was going home, there was a voice that came from the back. The voice said, do you want 7 pots? Do you want 7 golden pots? Barber is thinking, what are these 7 golden pots and from where is the voice coming? He says, yes, I want. He just says, yes, I want. And as soon as he reaches home, he sees 7 pots filled with gold. He's surprised. I just said yes and they have come. And he calls his wife. Wife is also surprised and excited. Barber says, but wife says, listen, the 6 pots are full but the 7th pot is empty. What are we supposed to do with this empty pot? Okay. Barber says, it's okay, I can earn and let's fill up this 7 pots so that we have enough money for lifelong and we don't have to work then. She says, okay. So Barber is going to King's palace and he started working more harder and harder and harder. But he is not able to earn that much money. He can fill up the entire pot with gold coins. He gets a little disappointed. He gives away his wife's jewelry. He borrows some money, but then also he's quite disappointed. And when the king sees, he can feel the difference now. The barber is not that excited anymore. He has some tension. So he asks Barber, what is the tension? Okay, let me guess. I think you've got 7 pots. Barber was shocked. How does king know I've got 7 pots? King said, relax. Even I got 7 pots. You must have gone under that tree and that tree always gives everyone 7 pots. I also got 7 pots. And guess what? What did I do with 7 pots? So, I got 1 pot was empty and the 6 were filled. But I started using my 6 pots instead of filling the 7th pot. So, Barber was wondering why he was spending. King explained him, the first pot is your physical body, your 5 senses. So I started using that very, very wisely. I started using my 5 senses wisely. And when you came to give me massage, so I said yes because I'm going to be relaxed and I will be relaxing one of the senses. And the second pot was about education. King said, I opened up a lot of schools. I thought big. Why not give education to everyone? So I started spending money from there. The third was family. Family He started loving his family more. He started giving time to his family more. The fourth pot was about religion and spiritual. He said, I started promoting spirituality and religion in all the people I knew. So I started spending money there also. And the fifth pot was about your health. He started taking care of his health. The sixth pot was about the wealth. He started using the money in the seventh pot very, very wisely. The people who needed it for the higher purposes, he started giving all this pot. So his seventh pot, my seventh pot, king said, was always full. It never got empty. Barber asked him what was the seventh pot. He said, it's mind, my dear. When you spend those 6 pots on the wise things, then your mind is satisfied, you are happier. But what did you do? You started running after the to fill up the 7th pot. The 7th pot is mind. In mind, things are temporary. You might, work for some time, you will become happy. So all materialistic things, whatever you want in life, you will have happiness. Sure, you will have happiness, but it will be temporary. And instead, if you are spending the entire, your wealth on those 6 pots wisely, so the 7th one, you will get a permanent happiness. It was a very, very big lesson that I also learned from this story. The story was narrated to us by a guru, but I also learned a very big thing in this during this time. So every day, it's the mind that is. If we know how to control mind, if we know how to win mind, the life becomes very easy. But it's not that. We are always trying to feed to mind. Okay, I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling sad, I'm this, that. So all the emotions that we keep going up and down, we keep focusing on that only. Instead, why can't we focus on the 6 things that we have with us? I have, the first pot he spoke about. So I have this physical body, I have 5 senses. So I use my 5 senses very, very properly. What kind of a data needs to go in? I am, very, very aware now what data has to go in. I will not put in anything which doesn't serve me. Second, he spoke about was education. I have been educated, but I was unaware how to use it. So now I'm using whatever education little I know. I'm trying to tell it to people so that I'm serving. Maybe it affects them in some way or the other. The third is about spirituality. What is spirituality? It's something very, very personal. And every religion talks about the same thing. Compassion, love. So all these things I'm experiencing now. And then it talks about your own, taking care of your own health. That also I'm taking care of my own health now. And so this is the way when we are using all our 6 pots. So the 7th pot of mind would be fulfilled. And you will experience the permanent happiness within you. You don't need to look for that happiness outside anywhere else. That is inside lying within us. So my dear friends, I would like to request you to just reflect, stay in awareness. Whatever you have, how can you use it in the betterment of others? How can you attach a bigger purpose to whatever you have? Thank you so very much. See you next time.